Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your account is verified and active. This avoids permission errors from expired verification. Once confirmed, clear browser cookies and open a private or incognito window so stale tokens are removed. Next, reset your password even if you think it's correct. A fresh credential forces a new session and reissues tokens. Make sure to use the same email tied to your subscription or plan so access checks match the service records and prevent repeat denials. After resetting, log in with your new credentials and accept any permission prompts. This reestablishes OAuth tokens and session cookies cleanly. Then verify your subscription or plan is current and the payment method hasn't failed, because access denied can be policy or billing related. If issues remain, disable browser extensions and turn off VPN or proxy services, since they can alter headers, block resources, or trigger geo restrictions. Make sure to retry in a clean browser environment to isolate the variable causing denial. To finish, attempt login from a different device or network to see if the denial is tied to your machine or ISP. This isolates local configuration from account-level restrictions. If denial persists, gather evidence. Screenshot the exact error, note timestamps, and include account email, then contact support for reinstatement or deeper checks. Make sure to attach a short description of steps already tried. One key troubleshooting tip: capture your browser's developer tools network logs to show failed requests. That accelerates diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.